Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and today we've got a good one. Haulover is thumping and it's about to lay a whooping on some boats. Let's see how our boaters fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. And here we go, crew, as we move into the first round of our competition. We're going to have a deep impact, stepping in the ring, trying to do battle with Haulover. Man, we got some bow riders. Probably not a good idea on a day like today. Oh no! Our girl took a smackdown from Haulover, went up, came back down. I mean, these girls are taking a pounding in the front of the boat. And it looks like Wifey's decided she's had enough, she's gonna move back, and I got a feeling we're gonna see the rest of this crew try and move back as well. The boat overall handles this one okay, but the pounding those girls took up front, I'm gonna have to give this first round to Haulover Inlet. And here in the second round, we're going to feature a Hydra Sport stepping in the ring to do battle with Haulover. Typically, these boats do well, but they're off to a rough start. They've already had a hatch pop open, and they're taking water over the bow. And man, it's going to be a rough one as this crew is stuffing this bow full of water right now with that hatch open. And I can't believe we got Little Man standing up here as well. That's a risky move, but he's hanging on. Mama Bear is on guard, though. She is definitely keeping an eye on these kids. Probably well-deserved since they don't have any life jackets on. But unfortunately, this crew's just taking a pounding coming out. I'm going to have to give this second round to Haulover as well, which means Haulover's going up 2-0 early on the boats. And round 3 is going to feature a large cigarette. Let's see if our captain can get the boats on the board. Cap's off to a slow start, but it is a rough day here at Haulover, so taking it easy is not always a bad thing. He does have some people on the bow of the boat, so that might be part of the consideration as well. But once again, when you got a boat this size, you don't necessarily always have to be in attack mode, and this crew shouldn't have any issues and easily take a win for the boats here in the third round. And that gets the boats back on the board, and Haulover's up 2-1 as we move into the fourth round. But here we've got a large scout coming in, and these boats, man, have been killing it down here at Haulover lately as well, and I'm expecting this captain to do the same. Gonna get some large yacht wake thrown here at the end, but this boat's not gonna have any issues with it, and once again, take a win for the boats, and that's gonna get us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our contest. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And we're gonna finish out with the Boston Whaler. And our crew hits the first wave, and they lightly stuff the bow. But at this pace, they will be in trouble if they try and go through Haulover here. And hopefully they actually make the smart call and go ahead and make that Haulover U-turn. This is just not the day for this crew on this boat. And yes, our captain's going to do it. Now, unfortunately, with that bow stuffing, I am going to have to give them the loss. And that means Haulover Inlet's going to take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.